To use the power saving mode on an Android tablet, you'll first swipe down from the top right corner to open your quick settings. From there, you'll usually see a button with a battery icon, which you can tap to turn on the power saving mode. Power saving mode will disable and change a variety of settings on your tablet, optimizing it for longer battery life rather than maximum performance. Power saving mode turns off automatically when you charge your device, but you can also turn it off manually by repeating the same steps. Open Quick Settings and tap the battery icon. If you don't see the button for power saving mode in your quick settings, you can add it in. Tap the pencil icon up top and then choose Edit. Whatever buttons are not already included in your panel will be available on the bottom. Tap any button to add it to your quick settings, and you can then tap, hold, and drag your buttons to your preferred order. Then tap Done, and your changes will be saved. Another way to turn on power saving mode is through your settings. Open the settings and from the left side scroll down to Battery. You can toggle power saving mode on and you'll see how my tablet instantly switches to the dark mode when I do that. If you want to customize what the power saving mode does, you can do that here as well. Tap the power saving mode and you'll see all the different ways it optimizes your tablet. By default, it does everything from limiting CPU speed to reducing brightness and turning on dark mode. But if you'd like to avoid some of these while in power saving mode, you can turn off the toggles here. And that's power saving mode on your tablet. The names and menus could be slightly different depending on which tablet you're using, but the main idea is the same. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.